Morning to everyone. Today in this session I will discuss about the introduction of linear integrated circuits. So first of all, what is a circuit? So we know the circuit is the combination of all the electronic components like transistors, resistors, capacitors and diodes, and these are connected by using the connecting wires. So whenever the application demands more number of electronic components, for example, it demands 1000 number of electronic components, all the electronic components are designed in a breadboard or in a PCB. Then the size of the PCB will be large and the application size will also be enlarged. So the technique developed in which all the electronic components are fabricated on a single small silicon chip. So that is called an IC. IC means integrated circuit, where all the active elements like transistors and passive elements like resistors and capacitors are fabricated on a single silicon chip. Most of the ICs are fabricated by using the monolithic process. Mono means single, lithic means stone. So that is all the components are fabricated on a single silicon chip or a wafer. So why we are preferring the ICs? Means in previous days all the electronic gadgets were available in a very big size. So in order to reduce the size, in order to reduce the area of the electronic gadgets, we are preferring the ICs. ICs have made the miniaturization of electronic gadgets possible, and all the ICs are found in almost all gadgets like TVs, cars, cell phones, and CD players. So, coming to the classification, ICs are mainly classified as two types. One is linear ICs, another one is digital ICs. So in linear ICs, the input signal is analog signal, and in digital ICs, the input signal is digital signal. So what is a linear IC? In linear IC, the input signal is analog signal, that is the signal which continuously varies. And in digital ICs, the input signal is a digital signal, that is it contains only zeros and ones. Next, coming to the classification of linear ICs, again the linear ICs are classified as four types depending on the density of the materials and next area of the IC. So first classification is SSI, second one is MSI, third one is LSI, fourth one is VLSI. So small scale integration, medium scale integration, large scale integration and very large scale integration. So in small scale integration, we can use the active components in the range of 1 to 100. And in medium scale integration, this range, and in large scale integration, the range is in between 10,000 to 1 lakh. In very low scale integration, we can use the active elements in the range greater than 1 lakh. So this is about the classification of linear or digital ICs. Next, why we are using ICs? What are the advantages of ICs? We will discuss in the later session. Thank you.